Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this air purifier that this brand sent to me for this video. I kind of tried it last night, and I have two things to say. Number one, it is quiet. It is actually really quiet. When you put it kind of in turbo mode, it's not that quiet, but that's for when, for example, you have been cooking in your kitchen, you had a gathering of people and some people were smoking, you have a kind of some, I want to say that you have been again, cooking some cake or pie or some steak or something like that, and the air is kind of polluted. That's one where you're going to put it in turbo mode, and that's not super quiet, but the rest is super quiet. It also comes with a sleep mode, so that's going to be the quiet one. So for example, for a nursery, for a baby room, that could be really good for let them sleep. Also, this one goes up to 3,000 square feet. So that's actually kind of big, I have to say. But the other thing that I was about to mention is that it comes with not one, but two filters. So that is really important. And about the filters, this is the most important thing, the carbon filters part. You're going to have the usual one, but if you see this, if you see the black one, that's what actually matters. So that is a good thing that comes with, again, not one, but two filters. Another thing that I really like, and let me actually put this one right there, we go, is this right here on top. Actually, let's jump on a closer look. Okay, so let's turn it on. By the way, let's turn it on. This one is going to actually measure the air quality. It's going to be changing colors right here. And once that it knows the air quality, is going to keep it in green, red, or I think the other one was orange or yellow. But the other thing that I want to tell you is this right here. It comes with a kind of a cotton swab that you can even put some essential oils if you want and make this one to be an air purifier and at the same time and also an aroma diffuser. That is kind of really cool. You change the speed with this one. This is number 4, kind of the turbo mode. It's not super quiet, but that's actually what I was just telling you before about the turbo mode. Sleep mode goes super quiet, no lights at all. And then auto mode, which I think the auto mode is going to be the best one. Just let it do its thing, let it do kind of its own measurements of the air and all that. You can change the display. You also have a child log. You can see the notification if you need to change the filter. And you also have a timer if you also want to set a timer for when you're not at home. This one, again, I have to say, with the dual filter, 3,000 square feet, also the HEPA filter and all the functions right here, I think it's a winner. I like it. I do recommend it.